Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share with you how to use a very cool website to transform your text to speech, something like this.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Alright, so all you need to do to start with is you come to your browser and just go to your search bar and just go straight to clipchamp.com. okay, just like so. I'll put this link in the description for you. So once it brought you here to this website, you can see use Clipchamp's free video editor to create beautiful videos today. Because you can see a sample and thereabout. You can see so many things. So all you need to do, the best part of this website is everything is completely free. It is owned by Microsoft, so everything is completely free. So you can just click to try for free. All the features we are going to use today are completely free. So once you click, you have to sign in. Okay, it's free to sign in. You can sign in with your Microsoft account, or if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can easily create one by just clicking on sign up, and then you just create. So once you create an account, it will just land you here, okay, on this page. So once you're here, you can see you are on the home page, or you can check the brand kit if you want to create your brand. And at the home page, you have access to so many things. You can start a fresh video from scratch, start with a template. You have options such as free to use, YouTube, gaming, Instagram, social media ads, and social handles. You can have quite a lot of things. And the best part of this website also is that you can do screen recording. You can screen record with camera. You can do screen record only with camera, or you can do both screen and camera, or you can do screen only, depending. And this is where you see your videos that you've created earlier on. And then you have the brand kits, and then you have the templates. You have series of templates that we've explained over there, and you can see a sample of them. You can create different kind of intros for your YouTube channel, your gaming channel, or if you have Instagram account, you can do quite a lot with this very website. It's completely free. The first thing, what we are here to do is to learn how to customize your text into a speech or video speech. Okay, so you can just come all the way here to say create a new video, and you land in this video editing platform. And while you are here, you can see you have access to different things. Okay, you have the canvas here where you do multiple of editings. You have the timeline here where you bring in different kind of medias. I'll do a complete video about how to use these very cool websites to edit your video, or to make videos and edit them completely. But for today, our target is the text to speech. So you just come all the way to record and create over here. So you just click on record and create, and then you have this series of options: screen and camera, camera recording, screen recording only, and then you have text to speech, which is the one we have at the bottom over here. And that's our target for today. So you just click on text to speech, and it's going to bring you over here. So the first thing you notice is at the top left, you have language. Okay, so you're free to choose any language, and then the person there is going to read it for you. So you have series of languages. Okay, you can have so many languages depending on what language you want to target. So for example, let's say we are targeting English, and we can check somewhere so many readers. Okay, we have male, females, and combined. You have so many readers. So you can just select from the readers, and over here you have options to play around with the speed. You can make it quite slow, or you can make it regular, or you can make it fast, depending on your choice. So all you need to do, you can just copy, you can just put the text over here. So for example, we have this text: welcome to Epic Mentorship, please remember to subscribe. And we want to have a preview of it. So let's say we have English, and we will have an English speaker, or what it means is the person that's going to speak is an English person. Is going to we have the voice of feminine, so we have Jenny as the reader, and then this is the regular speed. Okay, increase or decrease. So let's try to preview and hear what we're going to get.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Now that's it. Or if you change the language over here, maybe you can have something like Filipino. What it means is it's going to be someone from Philippines that's going to read this English for you. So it's going to use that local accent in Philippines to read the text. So let's try to listen to it.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, so let's try to have maybe someone who is French from Belgium. And let's see how he reads this.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, so this is how it is, and you can play around with different kind of speed and the intonations or the rising and fall of how you want everything to be read. Okay, the intensities, points, and all that. You can play around with it. So let's say English from Canada, and then let's try to put some emphasis on the text. So let's say at this point we'll put a full stop, and let's hear how it's going to pause before you say, please remember to subscribe.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, you can see that pause. So you can create the pause, and you can minimize it by putting a comma. All right, so let's say we have a comma over here, and then let's try to listen to it again.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, so we can as well try to increase or decrease the speed, depending. If you want to make it quite human, you can reduce the speed so it doesn't look robotic or thereabout, and you can change the reader to someone, maybe let's say Liam.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, and you can play around with the pauses also, or the silence also for that. And let's say we put in two different dots, and let's hear from what he's saying.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Yeah, all this will delay it for quite a while, but with full stop it's going to have a total delay. So this is basically how to play around. You can play around with the speed, you can play around with the voice, change to anything, and then you can change to different kind of speakers, Dutch, French, or thereabout. You can check anyone. Okay, so let's hear from Dutch, from Belgium, how he reads this.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
Okay, so this is how it is. So once you're done, you're satisfied with the content, what you've created. So all you need to do is to save to media. You just click on save to media, and it's going to automatically be imported into this video editing platform. Right, so you can see it over here. You can just click. As you hover over it, you can hear it. It's going to read, for example,
Welcome to Epic Mentorship.
And if you want to add it directly to the timeline, you can just come to the plus sign. Once you click, it's going to add. You can see it has been added to the timeline, and you can come all the way. You can use the playhead, and you can come down and see for yourself. You can try to play it and see. If you have the option to delete it as well from the top. So this is where you have all your media. Okay, this is your media file. You can house it, housing videos, audios, even images. Okay, so quite a lot of things over here. So for this, you just hear the text to speech. Okay, this is a text to speech video, so you can play it, use it from here by just coming to play. Yeah, so I think this kind of looks cool. You have the option to do a lot of splitting, cutting, undoing, and deleting, and even duplicating a given media from this. And then down here at the left side, you have the option to bring in different kind of elements, from templates to music effect or SFX, which are very free to use and reshare and share with your friends. You have stock videos if you want to do B-rolls or thereabout. Some of them are quite free. You can check the ones that are free, and you have stock images, text that you can bring in and overlay in your video content. You have graphics, different kind of Giphy stickers, and you have transitions to your videos that you can apply free of charge, and so many more. And once you're done, you're satisfied with everything that you have over here, all you need to do is to come to the top right over here to this export. You just come over here. You can export from different qualities. You have 480p, 720p, and you can go up to 1080p. Okay, so you can just select on 1080p, and then you have the option to, you can see your video. It's just been created, it has been downloaded, and you can share, or you can save or share the video on your YouTube channel. You can send it to TikTok, or you can send it to Dropbox or OneDrive or Google Drive, even directly as you so wish, or you can share it on LinkedIn or to Save to Box or Pinterest directly from here. It has that connection with all these social media platforms, and you can create a link that you can share with your friends, and they will have access to the same video. So you can click and you just have access to that very video. You can see it's a video, so you just play it.
Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe.
So the good part of this is, now this is a video clip that you've created, and if you want to convert it to solemnly an audio text, I have another website that I can share with you that you can just follow through, and then it will help you to convert this very simple video to completely an audio text. So let's try that and just try to convert it, and then we'll conclude the video. So for you to do that, you come to your browser. Over here you can search for Google. You can come to Cloud Convert. That's the software, the website I usually use, Cloud Convert. Right, so you can just come all the way over here, cloudconvert.com. You can come to Cloud Convert, and then you select your file. Okay, you can convert your file to anything. You just click, and then you go to the download where you have that video downloaded. All right, so you select the file. So let's say from this computer. Okay, you can have the option to put in the URL, or you can put from Google Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive. So let's say from our computer where we downloaded that file, so we can just go to our download and we can just search for text, right? So you can see it over here. That's the video we just created. So you just click on open to open it, and you have the option to convert it to different kind of formats. For example, you can come all the way, you can convert it to AVI, MKV, MP4, WebVM, or thereabouts. So these are audio formats. So for example, I go with AVI, and once I hit on convert, it's going to convert it directly for me. Processing finished, and then you can just click on download, and it's downloaded. Now it's fully, once you click on download, now it's fully an AVI file, which is an audio file. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about how to use the Clipchamp to convert your text to a video speech, okay, or to an audio speech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.